Hey there, camera lovers! Ready to explore the coolest Sony cameras of 2024? Join us on a journey through the world of stunning photography and amazing tech. Discover the warmth of crisp, clear images and vibrant colors with these top-notch cameras from Sony. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's something for everyone in our lineup. I've listed my top picks so you can find the perfect camera for your needs without any hassle. From sleek mirrorless options to powerful DSLRs, we have got you covered. And hey, the best part, you don't have to break the bank to get your hands on one of these beauties. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive into the world of Sony cameras and capture some unforgettable moments together. Number 5. Sony ZV-1F. Looking for the best option for low-light photography? Then consider this one. This compact camera packs a punch with its 20.1 MP maximum webcam image resolution and 1-inch photo sensor size. With digital image stabilization, your shots stay sharp and steady. Need to capture fast-moving subjects? No worries, it's got a min shutter speed of 1/16,000th seconds. You know what's great about this one? It's perfect for low-light situations because of its large 1-inch sensor and f2 lens, giving you those stunning defocus backgrounds. Plus, it's got IAF and autofocus tracking, so you'll never miss a moment. What sets this camera apart is its ultra-wide 20mm lens, perfect for fitting everything in the frame, even at arm's length. And composing selfie shots is a breeze with the side-articulating touchscreen LCD. For crystal clear audio, the directional 3-capsule mic and windscreen accessory have got you covered. Number 4. Sony ZV-1. When it comes to the best compact powerhouse, this is my top choice. With its 20.1 MP maximum webcam image resolution and 1-inch photo sensor size, you're guaranteed crisp and clear shots every time. My top choice for manual exposure control, this camera lets you fine-tune your settings for the perfect shot. Plus, its fast hybrid autofocus and real-time eye autofocus make sure your subjects are always in focus. What's cool about this camera is its side-flip-out 3.0-inch LCD screen, perfect for composing selfie shots with ease. And with features like quick background bokeh switching and product showcase setting, you have got versatility at your fingertips. Don't worry about shaky footage. Its image stabilization keeps things steady even while you're on the move. And with optimized color and enhanced skin tone reproduction, your videos will look professional every time. Number 3. Sony Alpha AV 6400. For the best versatility, this is the one I recommend the most. Experience lightning-fast autofocus with the world's fastest 0.02 seconds AF and real-time object tracking. With a wide 425 phase and 425 contrast detection points, capturing subjects is a breeze. Shoot up to 11 frames per second at 24.2 MP, ensuring crisp, clear images with natural colors. And with multiple movie functions, you can easily create time-lapse or slow/quick motion videos on the go. What's really neat is the tiltable LCD screen, customizable for vlogging, still photography, or professional filming. Plus, it comes with all the essentials you need to get started right out of the box. Number 2. Sony Alpha 7C. This mirrorless marvel is my top pick for the best compact size and impressive features. It's the world's smallest and lightest full-frame camera, paired with the world's smallest and lightest full-frame standard zoom lens, perfect for on-the-go shooting without compromising on quality. With its advanced 24.2 MP back-illuminated 35mm full-frame image sensor, you'll capture stunning detail and clarity in every shot. Plus, shooting glorious 4K with full pixel readout and HDR for rich, lifelike videos. Enjoy a wide dynamic range of 15 stops and 14-bit uncompressed RAW files for ultimate flexibility in post-processing. And with 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, you'll nail focus with ease. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 IV. And this stands out as the best overall choice among these cameras. Featuring a whopping 33 MP full-frame XMOR back-illuminated CMOS sensor, you'll capture incredible detail in every shot. Plus, with the next-generation Bion's XR image processing engine, it delivers stunning image quality. Your photos will be sharper and more vibrant than ever. Shoot in up to 4K 60 pixels 10:4 to 2:2 with full pixel readout in all recording formats, ensuring your videos are top-notch. And with 7K oversampling full-frame 4K 30 pixels 10:4 to 2:2, you'll enjoy pristine image quality with no pixel binning. What's really cool is the Cinetone color profile, making beautiful color expression simple and effortless. Alright folks, that wraps up our roundup of the best Sony cameras for 2024. We covered some amazing options that are sure to take your photography game to the next level. Remember, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a Sony camera out there for you. So don't wait, grab a favorite and start capturing those unforgettable moments. And hey, if you want to snag one of these cameras for yourself, be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shooting!